Welcome everybody and join me as I open up my boxes that I received from the Tower Garden as I needed to replenish some of my minerals, my pH test kit, and my base and acid stuff. Now this box is huge. I wasn't quite sure what it was because I thought I was going to get the size that was given to me when I got the starter kit, but this is a huge bottle of mineral A, and the other one that I'm struggling to open is mineral B. I'm very glad that I kept the original bottles because I'm going to pour some of this into the smaller bottles. Now the next thing that we're going to show you is my rock wool. Now I opened up the boxes previously to make it easier. Now this is what we put the seeds in to begin the growth process. I still have some of the little germy shredded stuff you're supposed to put on top. You can put some plants straight into the Tower Garden, but I generally only do that for like peppers and stuff. Now this is the acid and the base in order to keep your pH levels down. You want to make sure that your pH levels are correct, because if you don't, it could mess up the growth of your plants. And then of course I wanted to get another tester just so I have enough to test my water. Now I generally only test my water when I refill it up. And that's it, everybody. Happy planting.